Hello everybody, today I thought we could make chocolate covered bananas. So you're going to need a baking tray with some greaseproof paper, a couple of bananas, some chocolate. We're going to use some cocktail sticks or skewers, and we're going to use some sprinkles. So you're going to start by peeling your banana. My glamorous assistant's going to help. You can use as many or as little as you want to, it doesn't matter. So once you've peeled your banana, you're going to break it in half carefully. If you want to, you can chop it in half, but you're going to need an adult. And then you're going to get a stick and you're going to pop it inside your banana, and then you're going to lay that onto your baking tray. Just like that, that's it.
There.
Once you've got them all on your baking tray, you're going to need to freeze them for at least an hour, a couple if you can, okay? Once your frozen bananas have come back out of the freezer, you need to get your chocolate, you need to break it up. My glamorous assistant's going to do that, and she's going to put it in a microwavable pot. I think that's broken up enough now. And drop it into the microwavable pot for me. That's probably enough. So we're going to microwave this for a couple of seconds at a time, probably about 10 seconds at a time, just to make sure it doesn't burn, okay? Once your chocolate is all melted, it should be nice and runny. Oh, look at that, that looks yummy. You're going to pick up your bananas. And you're going to, oh, make sure they don't fall off the skewers. You're going to pick up a banana and you're going to dip it in chocolate. Then my glamorous assistant is going to pull the sprinkles into a bowl.
All of them?
All of them in. That's it. So all of our pretty sprinkles are in our bowl. Then you're going to take your banana out. And you're going to roll them in your sprinkles. And pour some sprinkles over if you want to. You can either cover all of your banana or you can just cover the tops like we do. And then you're going to put them back on your tray. And you can either freeze them again, or if they're still nice and frozen, you can eat them straight away. Delicious. You need to do that with all of the bananas.